I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So today I am showing you how to make a YouTube intro using canva.com. So first you're going to want to search in your browser canva.com. If you don't already have an account, make an account. So search up YouTube intro into this little search bar. It will come up and you can choose blank. You can choose any of these templates. You can change any of the fonts or anything. You might just want to use that font, just the style of each template that you might want to use that you think will suit you. Today we're going to start with a blank. So once you've done that, you still have the options of choosing a template. So what you're going to want to do is put a photo or something in the background, whatever your style is for your YouTube channel. And today we're just going to be doing these leaves. Okay, once you have your background, you can add any elements you want, like some shapes, and you can turn them around. But once you've figured out the design of your background, we need to animate it. And it's pretty easy because it's pretty much already done. You can add some videos, or you could add some stickers. In Elements there are stickers, and I like to search up sparkle because they have really nice sparkles that you could use, like these, and you can just put them wherever you think looks good. You can use any of the free ones. There is a Canva premium, so you can't get everything in this because not everything is free, but there are a lot of free sparkles like these. But once you set up your stickers, you're going to want to put your logo or your name or just text or something that says subscribe. So you want to find the font that you like. It might be this font, and then you just change the writing to whatever your channel is called and put it where you would like to put it. Now to make the animation, if you would like the screen to be changing, add another page, or you could duplicate this page by just clicking this button and it duplicates it. But then you might want to not have the random things there anymore and instead have a sticker that says subscribe. So you're gonna search up stickers, subscribe, and there comes up with all of these free ones. There's this one that if you think this is your style, then you could use that. But I don't really think it goes with this. So I'm going to find something that I do think goes with it and put it in the corner. So these are all moving and it makes a video. So see, it says this goes for 11 seconds, but this slide goes for 6 seconds. And let's go and animate it. So you could animate it to rise. You don't have to do any animation. It can just switch. It can be block, it can be pan, or tumble. Let's have a look at what tumble looks like in this video and have a look at what this intro looks like. This intro lasts 11 seconds, and let's have a look. And that is what we have. You don't have to do an animation, but you might want to, and if you're not duplicating the slide and just changing the background completely, then it will probably look better with the animation. But doing the same background with the animation doesn't look very good because you're still having the same background and all of that stuff, you're just having a different word. It would be better if you could just animate the word instead of the whole slide, but that's okay. Now second is you might want to add some music. So there's lots of different music. Choose your music and drop to add your music on your design. You can make the music have a special sound that it transitions on, or whatever you like. Now when you're finished and happy with what you've done, download, make sure it's as a video and all pages, and then you click download, and then it will download. It will start preparing your design and it will download to your computer. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Comment down below if you have any video ideas, and I hope you have a good day. See ya.